For my lesson plan, I'll be teaching kindergarten math. I'll be doing counting and cardinality. So for my pre-work, I will have the students watch a video on counting from the numbers 0 through 20. The state standard that I found was count to tell the number of objects. My objectives / learning targets are to know number names and the count sequence, which means write numbers 0 through 20 representing a number of objects with a written numeral 0 through 20. My outcomes are students will be able to tell others the names of the numbers 0 through 20, and students will be able to count in a sequence the numbers 0 through 20. The materials that I will need for this lesson are counters as well as paper and pencils. For the activities, I will show the students a video over counting with objects, go over a PowerPoint with students showing different amounts of objects and have students identify the numbers stated, as well as going over the PowerPoint with the students showing different numbers and asking students to come to the board and draw out the numbers of circles it would take to get to that number. For class activities, I will give each table group of students counters and a paper with the numbers 0 through 20 on it. I will then have students lay out the correct number of counters for each number with the help of their table mates, then giving each table group of students a paper with a random amount of objects on it and having students write out how many objects are in each group. This is so the students will be able to represent values with a physical thing in class, and students will work together in order to build counting skills. For the closure, I will have an open discussion with students to ask any questions that they may have about the topic as a class. And then for my assessment, I will have the students answer one question about the topic on a paper individually to see if each student has gained their own understanding on the topic at the end of class. For accommodations, I will be walking around the class in order to answer questions or to assist with students who are struggling with the counting. And yeah, that's my lesson plan.